So I was recently reminded by a friend that the reason Amazon works is because we all give feedback and reviews, so I'm going to put a few out there just to contribute to the community at large and the philosophy of giving feedback so we can all have confidence in the products that we buy. I'm not any one of these paid reviewers. I don't even know if they have them, and I'm not getting any, I have no conflicts of interest with this. I'm not getting any free product or anything else like that. Okay, so I just brought the new NutriBullet blender combo. Comes with this, your little push stick for throwing stuff inside of here, along with 2 cups, which I currently have filled. I actually do have the prior NutriBullet 900 series. Love this thing. It still works great. But the reason I upgraded, and again, you have to decide why you want the product, is because I make a lot of smoothies with mine. And you know, when you start pouring in bags of spinach and kale and all that, this little cup fills up pretty quickly. And I just wanted something a little bit bigger. I could make one smoothie, a jug of smoothie that would last you know, a couple of days, as opposed to having to remake it every new day. And with this one, what I have to do is I have to pour some in, like some cucumber, kiwi, an apple, some grapes, a little water, get it mixed.
Okay, so I've been an avid Vitamix user for about 10 years, but my Vitamix died, the warranty was over, and so I needed to replace it. And so I was recommended this NutriBullet blender, which I've used now for probably about 3 months, and I absolutely love it, especially compared to the Vitamix. I think it has a wonderful power outage and blends all of our fruits and vegetables very, very well. I make smoothies almost every single day, and so this has been such a wonderful tool for me to have in my kitchen. So what I love about this is that you get your motor base. It has suction cups on the bottom, so it doesn't move on your countertops. You also get this big pitcher with the top. This fits so much in here, so I can use it in place of my food processor. I can use it to make big batches of smoothies for my kids, and then you all.
Yeah. Okay, at first you guys see that I was trying to figure out why it wasn't working. There is a click. I like this thing. Look, see, you hear this? And then it has to do that click so you know that it is closed all the way. See, I had started already. So now I'm gonna push the button again.
Just received my new toy, my NutriBullet blender. I used to have the old version. I'm so excited to use it. Has a lid on top. Open it up. And twist it to lock it. Easy to read. Love NutriBullet. It's
Está grande, como decían, pero está chueco el vaso, no queda parejo, sino que queda el vaso más para el lado de enfrente. Hace ruido.